core components of the electricity distribution grid are the medium voltage and the low voltage switchgear. They are composed by 50% of mechanical parts like the metal enclosure, the bus bar, the cables that can be used perpetually and have a high carbon footprint. The remaining 50% is active components like the circuit breaker, the protection relay, the controllers that are used continuously and then are subject to wear and aging. Modernization is about replacing only the active components instead of the complete switchgear. So this means considering the protection relays, for example, after 10 to 15 years, and the circuit breakers after 15 to 20 years. This gives a lot of advantages. There are economical advantages. The downtime in production is reduced by 5 times, so we are talking about hours instead of days. And we avoid the complication of cabling and civil works. There is advantages in terms of functionality, because with the retrofit we can also upgrade the functionality and bring newer innovation like digital features and better braking characteristics. The third one, which is the one I like also very much, is about the sustainability. Just replacing the active components and keeping the metal part with the high carbon footprint enables to reduce the CO2 emissions by 5 times. We are talking about 4 tons for each replaced breaker, which means the equivalent of the CO2 that is absorbed by 70 trees in 10 years. So a really big advantage for the total cost of ownership that is significantly reduced, and also for our environment with the contribution to the decarbonization.